Now let's move on to a category that I love, absolutely and totally love, and I've been predicting that eventually it will take over from TVs, and we are almost there, projectors. But this has an add-on that most other projectors don't. This is a smart projector. So therefore, lots you can do. There's an Aptoide app that comes with it, which is a big deal, and we'll take you through what that means. You can talk to it. It's Alexa enabled. You can give it commands. That is quite an incredible thing. But it's also the projector technology that it comes with that makes it very, very unique. Number one, it's actually LED. The biggest problem with all projectors, that bulb, that heat emitting bulb. This is LED. Therefore, absolutely amazing projection, great picture, very, very bright, but most importantly runs very, very cool also. 30,000 hours of lamp life. If you really want to do that calculation and understand how much that is, normally you use the projector 2 or 3 times a week, and normally about 2 or 3 hours at that time. So that's 6 to 8 hours a week. Now calculate how long 30,000 hours would actually last you. So this is a great projector, 4K LED. Here's our review.
Waiting for the release date, arranging your schedule, booking your ticket for the opening show. Yes, we all remember those days. It's been a while since we went out to watch a movie in a cinema hall, and we all miss it. That large screen experience, that incredibly immersive feeling of being deep within the movie, it's all disappeared from our lives. But what if we could relive that experience from the comfort of our homes? As it turns out, now we can. ViewSonic has launched their latest projector, the X100 4K, with second generation LED, and it comes with a lamp life of 30,000 hours. Time to grab some popcorn and enter our very own personal movie hall. The design of the X100 4K is impressive, sleek, and very futuristic. The projector with us is the black color with a silver trim on the corners. The right side of the projector has an excellent array of connectivity options. Pretty much all you need to connect anything. There are 4 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, and an Ethernet port. There are also ports for connecting speakers to your projector if you want to use it as a home theater system. Time to turn on the projector and relive the cinematic experience we've all been missing for long. Right off the start, we get to see a very neat UI which was very easy to understand and toggle through. After hooking our projector with Wi-Fi, we were also able to get the smart part of the projector deployed. The projector features Aptoide TV support, which means you can access all your favorite OTT apps like Amazon Prime and Netflix easily. But eventually, as with any projector, it all comes down to the image quality. The 4K display with a resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels is stunningly clear, bright, and the images literally bounced off the screen. Very immersive. The colors are natural, the contrast even with lights on is amazing, and the overall experience is nothing short of breathtaking. The projection is 16:9, and that gives a true cinematic vibe with full HDR kicking in. The colors look vibrant and we didn't miss a single detail during our session. Thankfully, we get a motorized focus on this projector, so you don't have to trouble yourself doing it manually. There is a pair of 20-watt Harman Kardon speakers on the projector which are really loud and have great bass. But if you really want to enjoy it, we recommend you connect it with a home theater system. While the speakers are loud, the projector is not. At just 20 decibels, it is the most silent that we've tested in a while. This takes care of the biggest problem with most projectors, the noise that emits from it and spoils the audio experience of a movie. The X100 4K comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi, which makes it more advanced than the majority of the projectors in the market. There is Google Home app support, which means you can command it right from your smartphone. We tried to screencast our phone with it and it worked smoothly. You can also talk with the X100 4K. How? One word: Alexa. Yeah, the projector is Alexa enabled, which means you can give voice commands to it. ViewSonic ships a very unique controller with this projector. It features a rotating dial which makes it really easy for the user to move around in the menu. You can also take an alternate route and use ViewSonic's vRemote app to control the projector from your smartphone. Before we get to the verdict, we have Mr. Munir Ahmed, AV Head ViewSonic India, who shared with us how the X100 4K can help you relive the cinematic experience.
This product, this X100, which we are talking about, gives the complete experience. It's complete experience in the sense it has got speakers, Harman Kardon speakers inside. It has got as a LED base. The colors are much vibrant, and you have the voice control. You can have your kids movies or games onto it. It's a perfect combination for a home cinema kind of thing.
ViewSonic has managed to set up a benchmark with the X100 4K. The projector successfully delivers on all its promises. It has an incredible projection, the LED technology is excellent, and it delivers a truly stunning image. It connects effortlessly, features all the sought after specifications, and the 30,000 hour lamp life ensures it will last you a very long time. Now, a premium projector like this comes with a premium price tag of Rs 3,85,000. Clearly, it's not for everyone, but if you are looking to buy a projector, then this is a solid option.